What I remember is her spirit of kind of absolute graciousness, but graciousness that had a theological underpinning to it. And whether you agreed with her or not, she treated you very graciously. I mean, as a kind of the beloved child of God you were, and was our face in a lot of ways to the church when we in the leadership team weren't able to be or couldn't be. She was very articulate, very compassionate, very passionate. Her deep commitment to this cause and to the work, and her kind of indefatigable spirit, even as we lost, vote after vote. I mean, we would win General Assembly votes and then lose Presbytery votes. That happened a bunch of times. That can be discouraging. She didn't project discouragement very much at all. And I was always grateful for that. In the Covenant Network, there were people from More Light on the task force, but the Covenant Network did have this reputation, I think an important one, that not only did we want change in ordination standards, but we really did care about the unity of the church, and relationship building was a part of our deal. So I think our people often say for us, well, we've achieved ordination and now we've achieved marriage. Do we still need to be a More Light congregation? And I always answer yes. I think the reasons for being More Light have evolved. Now there is constitutional latitude for us to ordain who we think God has called. And at the same time, we still know there's prejudice culturally and in the church. We still know there are issues of equality to be advanced. There is still baggage around perceptions of the church's acceptance, mostly the big church out there, acceptance of LGBTQ persons. We have a growing trans population in Third Church, and so I think that's the more current conversation about how we can have the same kind of sense of equity and equality as we have earlier for gay and lesbian persons. So I think until we feel like we're firmly on the other side of a lot of these conversations, we still need to be a More Light congregation.